chose Antalcard Village dahil sa location. It's very accessible sa Manila. Like, may Cavitex, then may ongoing na Calax. And also, develop na yung surrounding niya. Like, may mga commercial, I don't know if CBD na yung nasa palibot, pero as I noticed kasi, like, meron lang tinatayong SNR, and yun na may future lanterns, and may mga malls na malapit. Also yung mga hospitals and for education. So, it's very accessible sa lahat din ng needs na magiging user or yung titira sa Antel. Kinalaw si Sir Nico sa Facebook, minessage ko yung page. Then, actually nagulat ako kasi it's already, I think, 9 PM. Then, nag-reply siya agad. Tapos, kahit gabi na, ina-assist niya ako. Then, kinabukasan, nag-check kami dahil may open house nga daw. Tapos, every time na may question ako through message, ang bilis niya mag-reply and sobrang accommodating.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.